Hey guys, it's Remedy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying something that I've seen a lot of people do, and that is bubble braids. I don't know if they're becoming the trend in 2021 for hair, but I've seen a lot of people doing like the bubble ponytail look. So honestly, I've never really done these before, so this is going to be my first time, and I'm attempting to show you. So hopefully these turn out and this makes a good video. I just previous to filming this, I watched someone on Instagram, Kiara Hellman, I think that's how you spell it. Anyways, I was watching her tutorial on how she did her braids, so her bubble braids. So that is what I'm going to be doing today, and yeah, hopefully that turns out. So I'm just going to be starting, I kind of ran my fingers through my hair to get a little of the knots out, but I'm just going to be starting with like my straight hair. You could curl it, but I'm just not going to. The other thing we're going to be needing is hair elastics. I don't have any clear ones or a whole lot. I need to get more. So I'm going to be using random selection of colors. I'm not going anywhere today, so it's not going to be that big a deal that my hair is going to be multicolored, but you can do whatever you want. So first off, we're going to part our hair, and I'm kind of just doing this with my finger. I have a pick that I usually use, but this is going to have to work. There. That's about as good as I can get it. My hair doesn't really part very well down the middle. Okay, so next I'm going to section this off on both sides of my head. Okay, so I'm going to leave a little strand of hair hanging down. So right about here is where I'm going to start braiding. It's not really braiding, so I don't know what to call it, but yeah. So you just take a little section, little triangular section on one side of your head. Just take your hair elastic and wrap it around. So then you do the same thing to the other side because we're going to try to make it as even as possible. I don't know how even it will turn out, but we'll see. Honestly, it's kind of hard for me to film these sometimes because I wear glasses and I have contacts, I just don't really like to wear them. But anyways, I wear glasses, so I have bad eyesight, so that's why you kind of see me like staring at myself a lot because I'm trying to see. Like I can see, but it's just a little harder for me. So it's not super clear, so I have to kind of like get really close just to see what I'm doing. Okay, so now we're going to be taking a little section from behind, and what we're going to do is we're going to split that in half, like so, and then we're going to take this first section and put it down the middle of those two. See? And then we take these strands that we had, and then we wrap the little elastic hair tie around it. And then do that to the other side. So now the third like little ponytail is actually going to be different than the other two that we've done so far. And yay, we're switching to orange color now. Okay, so we have these strands of hair, right? So now what we're going to do, we still have some hanging from the first ponytail blue and the second ponytail purple. You would think that I planned having the different colors to make it easier to explain, but nope, it's just what happened. Okay, so then you take your section of hair. I'm going to turn a little sideways so you can see. You take that section of hair, make another section behind the first two, split it just like you did the second one, but this time you're going to take the hair from this first ponytail, the blue one. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, so you can kind of like, you can feel, they feel different. You're going to take, here we go, you're going to take the hair from that first ponytail, the blue one, separate that into two, and add it into these two sections. So basically you just took that ponytail, that blue one, and separated it and added to the third one as well. So now what we're going to do, pull the second ponytail through in between the two and loop that as well. Okay, so I'll kind of try to explain it and show it as well on this side because it's a little bit confusing. So what you do is you have your first two, blue and purple, pull those forward, take your section from behind, separate it into two, then find your blue ponytail. So not this one, you can tell this is the purple, see? But take that blue section that you pulled through the purple one, separate that into two as well, hopefully you guys can see, and add it to each of the two strands. Then put that purple ponytail in between and rubber band it or elastic it, whatever. So that is the basic process of how you do these like bubble braids. You can keep repeating that third section as many times as you want down your hair. My hair is very thin and it's long, but it's not like the longest, so I think I'm going to stop there with just these three bubbles. And whenever you stop, what you can do with this leftover hair that you have in this ponytail back here, take your elastics, grab just the ponytail pieces, not any extra pieces from your hair, just the stuff that you had from the ponytail. You're just going to start bubbling just those pieces, like so. So you could bubble braid that all the way down your ponytail. I actually am out of rubber bands now, and they're all multicolored, but oh well, it doesn't matter. I'm not going anywhere, just to show you guys basically this hairstyle and to try it out for myself. It's almost done, but honestly, so far, I'm really happy with it. I think I'm gonna do this hairstyle again, and maybe I will actually get into the trend of bubble braids, we'll see, or bubble ponytails. So then what you do is you kind of pull these to make your bubbles a little more pronounced. So just pull at them. Just go really slowly and gently, but don't worry too much about perfection. So just keep pulling at that. Or you could leave it how it is, but I kind of want to have a little more volume, a little more messiness. And that is how you do this bubble, this like half up, half down bubble braid. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if you guys like this trend too, because I actually kind of like it. And if you ever have any other hairstyles you'd like me to try, just let me know and I'll give it a shot. Bye. Thanks for watching.